Hello students, welcome to our next class, that is logarithm chapter number 8. The topic is new for you, clear? So try to understand it properly. Look children, all of you are familiar with this term, that is exponential form. Which form it is? Exponential form. How to write exponential form in logarithmic form? You know that children, it is base, clear? This is what? Exponent. So how to write it? Log to the base a of c is equal to the exponent. Again children, log to the base a of c is equal to b. So this is logarithmic form. Let's practice these forms in the questions. Exercise 8a, first question, you can see exponential form is given to you and you are asked to write it in logarithmic form. So how we'll write? Log to the base. Base is what? 5 of 125 is equal to 3. Third part of this question, log, what is the base? 10 of 0.001 is equal to minus 3. Now come to question number 2. You are given logarithmic form and you are asked to write it in exponential form. So what is the base here children? Base is 8. 8 raised to the power, this is exponent, minus 1, that's equal to 0.125. So 8 power minus 1 is 1 by 8 and that is equal to 0. When you will solve, it will be 0.125. Now fourth part of the question. Now what is the base? 10. 10 raised to the power is 0. That's equal to 1. And you all know that anything raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Question number 3 children. This is given to you and you are asked to find the value of x. So let's write 10 raised to the power minus 2. This is the exponential form. Clear? 10 power minus 2 means 1 by 10 square is equal to x. So from here x is equal to 1 by 100, or you can write 0.01. Fourth question, first part, again logarithmic form is given and you are asked to find the value of x. So write it in exponential form, 10 power x, that's equal to 100. So 100 can be written as 10 square. Now you can see bases are same. So what will be the value of x? That is 2. Third part of the question, this is given to you. Let's write it in exponential form. 10 power x is equal to this. So children, when you will write it, remove the decimal, it will be 1 by 1000, which can be written as 10 power minus 3. On comparing, x is minus 3. Now fourth question, fifth part of this only. You can see this I have already solved. Clear? So this way you can find the value of x. Same way, eighth part children. 27 raised to the power x is equal to 1 over 81. Now you can see bases are not same, but we can make them same. 27 can be written as 3 power 3 and 81 can be written as 3 power 4. When you will take it to the numerator, the sign of power will change, which we have already done in exponents. So from here x is minus 4 over 3. Yes students, fifth question, state true or false. This is given to you. Write it in exponential form. 2 power 3 is 8. They are same, so it is true. Same way, yes, write it in exponential form. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You are left with 2 is equal to 2. So this is true. Sixth question, find the value of x. See children, same thing, we'll write it in exponential form. 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to this. From here we'll find x. Sixth part of sixth question, again write in exponential form. 7 power 2 is equal to 2x square minus 1. So from here 49, transpose 1 this side and the value of x will be under root 25, 5. Seventh question, evaluate. This is given to you. This is fifth part of seventh question and you are asked to evaluate, find the value. So let this is equal to x. And same procedure, write in the exponential form. You can see here the base is 16, here 8. But we can make them same. 16 is 2 power 4, 8 is 2 power 3. It will be 4x. Bases are same, so powers will also be same. So x is 3 by 4. Sixth part of the same question. Write in exponential form. Base raised to the power x is equal to 16. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 raised to the power x is equal to 16. That is 1 by 2. Now, if you will take it into the numerator, 2 power minus x equals to 2 power 4. On comparing, bases are same. We can write here minus x is equal to 4 and from here x is equal to minus 4. Yes, very important question children. You are given this value and this value. Clear? So write this value in the exponential form. 2 raised to the power m is equal to x. From here m raised to the power n is equal to y. And then after you are asked to find the expression, value of this expression. So let's solve it. First of all, I can write this expression as 5 raised to the power 3 and multiply by 5 raised to the power 2. As we discussed earlier, same basis, when they multiply, we will add their powers. So this expression can be written in this way. Now children, I have the value of 5 power n. So this expression can be written in this way, 5 power n. We can write 3 outside because they will multiply. Multiply by 25. So children, we already got 5 power n. What is the value? Y. So we can replace it with y. Final answer is 25y power 2. Same way, I solved question number 10 by writing in the exponential form. You are asked to find out this. So find out prime factors of 72, that is 2 power 3, 3 power 2. You can find out. Now this is power of 2 as well as of 3 also. This will become 2 power 3 multiply a, 3a, 3 power 2a. As we have value of 2 power a, so this expression can be written in this form and this can be written in this form. So value of 2 power a is x, can be replaced. 3 power a is y, we already solved. Clear? So this will be the final answer. In the same way children, I solved 12th also, you can see. Now the very important concept, laws of logarithm. Look here children, this is called product law of logarithm. Log to the base a, if they are multiplying, so how it will be written? Log a plus log b. Meaning log a m into n will be log a m plus, what will be the sign in between? Plus, when you will separate them. Same way children, quotient law, log a m divided by n. How it will be written in case of division? This will be log a m minus log a n. Now look children, power law, log a m power n. In this case, n you will take in front. So you are left with log a m. Power will be taken in front. Now children, log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Log of 10, value of log 10 is 1. But what is the condition? What should be the base? 10. Same way, log 100 is 2. Log 1000 is 3. As the number of zeros are increasing, same way value will be there. And log 1 is equal to 0. How? You can prove these values is equal to this by writing in the exponential form. Yes students, exercise 8b. First question, fourth part, this is the given statement. Now only we have done the property log a minus log b will be equal to log a upon b. So how you will combine it? Log a, what is a? 26 over 51 divide by v. Means when you will divide it with this term will reciprocate. It will be 119 over 91. When you will do the cuttings, it will be log 2 by 3 is equal to, what is the answer? Log 2 minus log 3. Yes students, your question is to express these values in terms of log 2 and log 3. You can see first question, we already got the answer in terms of log 2 and 3. Same thing we'll do here. As it is, this is power law. If I can take power over here, so this can also be taken as the power. So 2 I have taken here plus same term. Now let's solve children. Log a minus log b. So that will divide 75 by 16. When we'll divide, division changes to multiplication and you have to reciprocate the term. 81 will go up, 25 will be here. Now what is the sign here? Plus. In case of plus, we are multiplying. Now cancel out the terms, you will left with log 2. Second question, express each of the following free from the log. You have to remove log from the question. This is a given question. Can we take a as the power law? B also can be taken as the power and 2 can also be taken as the power. Clear? Now log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? Log a upon b. A is x power a, b is y power b is equal to log 9. Log will get cancelled. You are left with x power a. This term can be taken over here. Now you can see our answer is free from log. Come to the next question. Clear? Same procedure children. Will be taken as power. This will also be taken as power. So 125 can be written as 5 power 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 32 can be written as 2 power 5 will get cancelled. So this way you have to solve. Yes, fourth question. 2 can be taken as power. This is in the simple way only. will become 15 square. This will be the term minus same term is equal to log 2. Now let us combine the terms. Log a minus log b will divide. So when you will divide, 162 will be written in the numerator and 25 will be written in the denominator. So plus sign will multiply directly is equal to log 2. Now log and log, single logs are there, will get cancelled. When you will solve this, you will get 2 is equal to 2. Hence proved. In question number 5, you are asked to find the value of x. So let's solve, children. X minus log 48, 3 will be taken as power, 1 by 3 will be taken as power minus log 3. So let x be on the one side, transpose rest all the terms on other side. So you can see, children, 125 can be written as 5 power 3. Clear? This term as it is, log 48 and log 8. Clear? Now x is equal to, combine these terms, log, it will be 5. Then minus sign is there, it will divide, 3 will come in the numerator, multiply by 48, minus sign, 8 will be in the denominator, will get cancelled. You are left with x is equal to log 10 and you know that log 10 is equal to 1. Yes, students, you are asked to write this question in the form log 10x. You have to express it in the form log 10x. So let's solve. Log 10 2 plus, how we can write 1? Log 10. I told you log 10 is 1, but the condition is base should be 10. Now log a plus log b, that is equal to log a into b, 20. So log 10 into 20, and we are asked to write it in this form only that we got.